What if I told you that you could make ChatGPT in Scratch right now? What we will be using today instead is a mod called Penguin Mod. This will give us the necessary extension needed for this project. Now, let's get to it. So, we will start by getting the necessary extensions. The first one is the animated text extension, and the second one will be the Penguin GPT extension. Now, what I'm going to do here is bring out a when blue flag clicked and a forever loop. Here you can pause the video to copy the code because I'm not going to go too in depth in this video. Now, after you have that, you can edit the backdrop to look something like the original layout. Here I am just going to make a simple purple backdrop with some text and stuff. Now, when you press the blue flag, you will be able to ask it any question. For example, if I type, "How are you?" you can see that it will respond, and then you will be able to ask more questions. Now that we have that sorted, we have to make a scrolling system because sometimes you can get a really long answer, and we do want to view it all. So first, make sure the header is in the front layer and then code it so that when the up arrow is pressed, change I by 5. And when down arrow pressed, change Y by -5. This will work even if you use the scroll wheel on your mouse. So now you have officially finished your ChatGPT program. Please consider liking and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.